Dr. Stewart, and I'd like to welcome you all to the Science Department. We're all really looking forward to welcoming you and meeting you and teaching you when you come up to Perth Grammar. Biology is my specialist science, and it's all about living things like my little friend Maisie here, our tulips and the pineapple too. So I'm now going to pass you on to my colleagues so that you can find out more. Enjoy!
Thanks, Dr. Stewart. One of the things we'll be looking at in biology is the environment and the living things we find there. We'll be finding out why plants are so important, and we'll also be looking at why animals like this are well suited to one type of environment, but animals like this are suited to a different type of environment. Miss Dickinson, what else will we be learning about?
Thanks, Mrs. McHale. Now, another thing we learn about in junior science is the human body and how our body works, particularly our skeleton, and how our body moves. So how does our skeleton move? How do we get this movement? How are we able to walk? How are we able to dance? How do all our organs work? Okay, over to you, Miss Elder.
Thanks, Miss Dickinson. Here in science, we want you to be curious. We want you to ask questions and look for answers. That's what biochemists, epidemiologists and virologists are doing and seeking at the moment. Simple questions. Why is the sky blue? How is the sun's heat getting to me? What left this poo in my garden? And what chemical makes this nettle stingy? Over to you, Mr. Crawford.
Okay, thank you, Miss Elder. One of the things we're going to be learning about in science is how to do things safely. And one of the ways we're going to learn that is through doing experiments. Sometimes a little bit like this. Cool. What have you got for us, Miss Green?
Thanks, Mr. Crawford. In S1, you'll be studying chemical reactions. Today I've made an indicator using red cabbage, and I'm testing these everyday household items to see how acidic they are. Over to you, Mr. Finch.
Thanks, Miss Green. In second year, you'll be learning about the stuff that makes the modern world go round. Electricity. Over to you, Mr. Reid.
Thanks, Mr. Finch. In the four-season gravity topic, we're going to learn about how objects move. And of course, why with gravity, what goes up must go down. Sorry, Mr. Spalding.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Reid. So another thing we'll be looking at in first year science is renewable energy and climate change. For example, how this fan is able to produce electricity just from the wind around us. First year science in the grammar has 3 periods of science per week, and we'll cover a whole range of topics in biology, chemistry and physics, and we'll cover 9 in total over the whole year. So we look forward to seeing the grammar, and that's all from the science department. Thanks very much for watching.